struggling, remember the times you've succeeded and survived, and know that you can make it through. Beautiful uplift. Beautiful uplift. Know that you can make it through anything. Positive vibes only. We can make the world a better place if we just stay happy all the time. Beautiful uplift. You can change the world, make it a better place with positive energy. Give love to our beautiful world. Water the plants and look up at the sky. Whatever situation we will get, we will make it through. Beautiful uplift. When life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. Beautiful uplift. Let's make the world a better place. Give love to everyone around you. Yeah, push those bad vibes away. We don't want any of them right here with us. We want to be happy all the time. Soar up in the sky like a bird. Look upon our beautiful world. Look at all the things that we can do if we just stay happy and true. Beautiful uplift. Make sure you push all those bad things away. We always want to be happy. We want to stay true to our senses. We don't want to be mad. Otherwise that will bring those bad things that we don't want anymore. Beautiful uplift. We can make the world a better place. We just have to stay positive. Make sure that we are staying true and honest. True and honest. True and honest. Stay positive. Beautiful uplift. We can make the world a better place. Beautiful Uplift by Coraline, Opalah.